Thanks for tuning back in. This is Ameya Dabolkar from Exploring Excel. You can email me at exploringofficeexcel@gmail.com. This is video number 37, month name and weekday name UDF. This is from the video from Excel UDF series. Okay, so this time it is a video from Excel VBA UDF series. Now in this tutorial, I am going to show you two UDFs. Month name UDF and weekday name. It should be weekday name UDF. There are two methods involved. One method is by using the select case method in VBA, and another is using the inbuilt VBA function month name and weekday name. The three UDF involved in this tutorial are month n and num, week name UDF num, and weekday n, that is under num. First and the last one I will be doing by this method number 2, and the second one only to demonstrate how you can use the select case to do the same thing. Now this one is very easy to do, and the select case is very lengthy, looks lengthy, but it's really easy to do. Now we are going to create the three UDFs in this session. Okay, so going to the developer tab and in Visual Basics. Now I have just written my code on the notepad. You can download this workbook, name, month name and weekday name UDF XLSM from a Dropbox folder, which link is below the description, and it is inside a folder named Excel VBA UDF series. Just click that and download this workbook named month name and weekday name UDF series and follow along. Now press Alt F11 to go to the Visual Basic editor. Now inside this Visual Basic editor, I am just putting my code, which is I will just copy from the notepad and paste, and I will explain you what I have done. Now this is a big UDF known as month name UDF. Num as integer. I have to first define all the variables. Num as integer means it will force that the num should always be an integer, else it will show a value error. Example, if you see equals to MON, month name UDF, it's here. Press tab key, and if you want to see the internal properties like num or whatever you need, press Ctrl Shift and A. You get what property is inside it, because we don't get a control tip text here. Now inside num, if I write something different, enter, I will get a value error. It is not supported by the value. Then going again to the Visual Basics. Now first I set 1, 2 to 3 conditions, that is if else statement. First condition is the num should be greater than 0. It cannot be less than 0 as it is a month. And it should be greater than 12. Less than 0 and greater than 12. If this condition is met, then only go else. Then end if. Then select case method. The first select case method is a very big lengthy method. I will just select case and num. I have also used the select case method in some other videos. You can just, link is below the description. You can watch, subscribe my channel and see what are all the videos regarding. Now in the select case num function, I have just selected num. Means you have to always you have to type a variable after you select the select case. Then now I have defined as case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5 up to case 12. Now if the case, if I have written num as equals to 8, it will see this case, no, it's not there. 2, this not. It will directly jump to 8. It is, for example, it is looping through everything and saying, oh, this is condition is met. So and select. It do likes that, like month name UDF. It works like that, but this is little bit lengthy method as compared to the next method which I am going to show you about the month name UDF. You can see it works fine when you just write equals to sign month name UDF. Just type the number of months. If I want the 12th, that is December, press enter, you get the word December. You can even customize this according to your need. If you want something Greek alphabets or something different, like and you have to write in different language, you can just change to January to Jan or anything you can do. The next method I am going to show you is the same type of UDF but only the name difference. It is, I am just copying them from the notepad. Month name. Okay. So this is another UDF function, month name. Now again I have the num as integer. This is totally simple. Like first thing, the same argument I have just written here, which is if num is greater than 0 or num is less than 12, then else and if. Same argument I have written here. Then the main function goes here, like month n, which is this function month n. Always you should reference the function month name UDF. I have reference here like this. To reference equals to month name of the num. Month name of the num equals to month. If you say example mat equals to month name. Open the bracket. There are two arguments. Month as long and abbreviate wait as boolean equals to false. Month as long. If you type any num means it is an integer. I have set it as an integer to get the same value. Okay. So let's see how this function works. Equals to month n function. I will just type a none. For example, let's take 15. It will show a value error. F2. I will just edit this and make it 5. Enter. You get May here. Now the last one I am going to show you is the weekday n. Weekday name num. I am directly going to show you by the function name weekday name, not by using this method like select case method. Now selecting this, I am just copying my notes from notepad weekday name. Control C and paste. Now inside this function I have again set the condition if else and if statement. If num is greater than 0, if num is less than 0 or num is greater than 7, then else and end if. Now weekday n equals to weekday name num comma and VB Sunday. Now what does this means? I will just again write the same thing. Weekday name equals to, now see, the weekday name function works. Weekday as long, it will be num. Then abbreviate as boolean equals to false. This is basically set as false and we need false only, so let it be blank. Then first day of the week as VB day of week equals to VB system date of week. Now you can set it according to your needs, but consistently it is Sunday, the first day. You can also set it to the Monday, but I am setting it to Sunday. You can just select tab key. It will set as VB Sunday. And shift close. Expected equals to, it will not work unless and until you define it. Now let's see how this function works. Equals to weekday n. Weekday name, I am just trying to write 7. Let's check it out. It gets a Saturday. Okay, so now you got this 3 UDF. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and do subscribe my channel. It's on YouTube. The channel name is Exploring Excel. Watch more videos. Have a great day.